Hi guys, this is your time to win the diversity visa in the upcoming lottery, DV2024. And why am I saying so? Because I'm just about to give you 3 important tips that will enable you increase to a higher extent your possibility of getting selected. And the first one is this: ensure that you get through the initial selection process. All entries in a DV program will be put into a computer system, and the computer system will randomly select possible winners. After that selection, all the selectees are subjected into some sort of filtration process. And in this process, all the selectees will undergo some sort of screening, and they will be looking for incorrect information or errors in the applications. And all those with those errors will be put aside. What are these errors that they screen for? Number one, they will check if the applicant did more than one application. And if they did more than one application, that is considered as an error and they will be put aside. Secondly, they will check for the country of eligibility. If you are not from an eligible country, you are put aside. Thirdly, they will check if you have followed the photo requirements, and if not, you'll also be put aside. Therefore, to ensure that you go through this fast process, first, let your photo requirements be up to the point and meets all requirements. Number 2, don't make a mistake of entering twice or more than once. Just put one correct entry into the diversity visa lottery. Number 3, ensure that you come from an eligible country. Number 4, when applying, make use of your documents. Birth certificate document is very important. During your application, put the birth certificate on your side, and every information inside of that certificate, use it in your application. The names and the name format, as it appears in your birth certificate, put it in the application. The date of birth, as indicated on the birth certificate, use it in your entry. The place and the city of birth, as indicated in your birth certificate, use it in the application. And all data in the birth certificate, use it during application. The same case goes to if you are married. Use the birth certificate information of your spouse when filling the derivative section. Same case with the children. The information on the birth certificate of the children, use it in the application. That is the first way to increase your chances of getting selected. Number 2, and this is for the family people. If you're married, then increase your chances of winning by applying the both of you, the parents, as principal applicants. And this is what I mean. The husband applies as the principal applicant and adds the wife and the children as derivatives. The wife as well applies as the principal applicant and adds the husband together with the children as the derivatives. And by so doing, the family has double chances of getting selected. Number 3, and very, very crucial, and I keep on hammering this down. Do your own application. Enter into the DV lottery by yourself. Don't let anyone fill it in for you. It is a simple process, and do it yourself. Why? Because you're the one who understands yourself better. Number 2, you never know the person that you trust with your information to fill in for you, whether he or she can scam you or he or she will ruin your entry. Even if you don't understand English or you don't know how to go about the process and you need some explanation, ensure that during that process, when you are being helped, you are there present to ensure that everything is done correctly. All the information is put correctly. Do the application yourself. Don't let some other guys or agents ruin your chances of getting your green card visa. Do it yourself, I keep on repeating. And finally, just as a bonus, if you don't understand well the process, look for someone to help you understand before you enter into the lottery. Make sure that you understand all the information before you enter into the lottery. And with that, guys, I come to the end of this video. Please don't forget to support me by liking the video and also subscribing to the channel. And let's meet in another one.